What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video with myself, Hoxton. In this video I actually want to go through a few things. First things first, I've got a mystery box sent over by Farfetch, so I'm going to be doing a review on all those items, and if you look over there, sneaky peek. There's quite a few items that have come in, so I'm excited to go and do a review about that. So that's the first thing I want to talk about. Now, the second thing I want to talk about is our Facebook group, because what's been happening recently is we've been getting quite a lot of followers on there that have been leaving messages and talking about things like mental health, which, to be honest with you, I think is a really good thing, because I know sometimes as guys, we find it hard to talk about certain issues. Like, our Facebook community has just been one of those places where it really is a really good online community, not just for buying and selling off of each other, but also for people just to talk about different things. And I think people have been feeling a little bit more confident about talking about things that might be happening. Maybe it's not so much depth, but maybe just kind of letting people know they are going through things at the moment. And I feel like our Facebook community has been super supportive for people that have been doing that. So look, if you are going through something, or you're going through a tough time, like, listen, all of us go through something like this at some point in our lives. So if you're feeling like you want to talk to someone, or you want to reach out, or you want to join a community that kind of help, just kind of give some support, then look, I do recommend to jump on the Facebook group. And even if you can't jump on the Facebook group, I would recommend maybe talking to a family member, or talking to friends, or just trying to reach out and get some help. Everything that's been going on so far, I think it is important to kind of talk and just let people know what's going on. Don't think just as a guy that you can just deal with everything on your own. And I've definitely been someone like that myself, where I just think, you know what, if I'm going through something, I just want to deal with it on my own. But you know what, reaching out and talking to friends, partners, loved ones is a good step. So don't suffer in silence is what I'm saying, okay? So that's the second thing that I wanted to mention. So listen, let's lighten up the mood a little bit. I've got some reviews that I want to get on with. I can't wait to do it. Let's get into it. And we should have some Stone Island in there. I know we got Stone Island in there because they said they were going to send over some Stone Island, but I'm not sure what else there is. So let's get into it. So guys, this is it. This is all the bits that we've gotten from Farfetch. There's quite a few boxes here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's one hiding over here as well. Unlucky 13. They should have sent me 14, because like 13 is kind of an unlucky number, is it? Yeah, it is. Okay, don't worry about that. We've got some spring essentials, some summer ideas. But anyway, we will never know that until we do the unboxing. So let's get straight into it. Right. Whew. So I'm going to go through these one by one. Also to mention as well that Farfetch are actually going to be doing 30% off selected items on lots of different brands. So if you're interested in that, you want to find out what type of deals are happening, I would definitely recommend this deal, because it's going to be on quite a few different brands. All that information is going to be in the link in the description box below. So if you want to check some summer deals, spring deals, it could be worth checking out Farfetch to see what they're saying, okay? Right, okay, got some nice packaging here. And the first item that we got in is some Stone Island shorts. So, okay, these are looking quite nice. What I like about these is the detail on them as well. I'm not sure what materials they have in the pockets, but it just looks a little bit different. So yeah, I'm liking these. I haven't seen Stone Island shorts like this actually. So I've got this cargo packet on the side. I think green is going to be a really good summer color to rock this spring, summer as well. So I know a lot of people have been looking for beach shorts. So that's the Stone Island shorts right there. That's a cool cut. So what's this next piece? This next piece looks like it's an off-white piece, and it looks like white shirt. So that's quite nice. Got off-white t-shirt there. That could actually go really well with the green shorts, that one. Off-white print at the back. Now what I like about this one is Off-White have been doing some crazy prints on the back of their t-shirts as of late, which I haven't been too keen on. But something a little bit plain like this is probably going to be something that I'll be more interested in. For those guys that don't want something that's going to be too loud, but still want to kind of wear something that's a bit premium, then this off-white t-shirt could be a good look. Quality of this one is quite nice. It feels good. It's quite lightweight. So the new off-white stuff has the 30 logo, so that's also good to see. And I'm pretty sure if I look through the labels on here, it's going to be 100% cotton, which it is. Being a bit nosy, made in Portugal. A lot of quality stuff now is coming out of Portugal, so that's really a good place for brands to go and get their developments done and produce some really good product. Oh, and also, just in case some people are asking, the top is from Y3. We're really feeling Y3 as of late, so that's definitely another brand that you guys can check out. They're really feeling the off-white, so I've got some off-white beach short. I mean, how do you guys feel about off-white? Do you feel like off-white is still popular? Do you think it's making a comeback? There was a period when off-white first came out, and I feel like I wasn't really feeling it because everyone was on it. And it's funny, now that it seems that not as many people are into off-white as they was in the beginning, I'm feeling like I'm feeling them a little bit more, but I do like they're more plain pieces, if I'm to be honest with you. So like these beach shorts as well, I just think it's just simple, it's plain. You've got the pull cords there as well, and it's got the rubberized ends of the pull cords, which is one thing that I really do like, that Off-White and also Palm Angels do as well. Now the material of this one is quite light, so it does feel nice, but I don't feel like these are not swim shorts, these are just more kind of plain beach shorts. So yeah, that one could be a good look. So yeah, I'm liking those ones. Right, let's see. Okay, what's this? Oh, okay, got a nice little bag here. Something looks a bit interesting. What have we got? Oh, do you know what? I know what this is. So this is the Stone Island water bottle. Remember when I done a review last week when we got the water bottle in? So let's see this one. But the only thing about this one is the box looks a little bit bigger than what I can remember. So let's have a look. Do you know what? Yeah, mate, loving this. That's the holding pouch. Yes. Because you know what, I actually went and bought one of these and my one didn't come with the holding pouch. So it's really good to see this holding pouch on this one. So that's cool. And this one there should be a little buckle as well around it where I can wear that. And there it is inside the box. So yeah, that should be able to clip on around it. And then you can literally wear this like that, kind of around you. But I need to extend, so literally you can wear it like that. Now, the cost between the bottle on its own, I think is 115, but with the pouch it's 200, over 200. So it is quite a lot with the pouch as well. Yeah, personally, I think it's a collector's piece. I do think a lot of people will like this, but I think a lot of people will think that the pricing on this is a little bit crazy. But personally, I really like it. Yeah, I don't mind that one. I'm gonna keep that on. This one's a little bit harder to open. So the next piece, which is one of my personal favorites, is the Comme des Garçons. Comme des Garçons, I think, is it the t-shirt? That's the t-shirt right there. And actually, I've got quite a few t-shirts myself of the Comme des Garçons. What I like about these is they're not too expensive. So I think you can pick these up for around about between 60, 70 pounds. And I think they look really premium. The quality of them is really nice. I love the little logo as well. So it's just kind of simple, plain, sophisticated. They're quite slim fit. So I think with a nice pair of slim fit jeans, I think this will be a really good look. But yeah, in terms of a premium t-shirt, which is not going to break the bank, at around 60 to 70 pounds, I really do rate these Comme des Garçons t-shirts, and I personally picked up about 3 or 4 of them in lots of different colors. I recommend these t-shirts, so that's another good shout from Farfetch as well. So yeah, that's a good one. Right, still got loads of parcels left. So what else have we got? What is it? Denim jeans. Right, these are the Represent denim jeans. And funny enough, followers have been asking me recently, what do I think about the quality of these compared to stuff like Amiri? Because some people have been saying when it comes to Amiri designs, some of the Represent stuff has got some really close designs to it. So they're wondering if it's kind of worth it. Do you know what? The quality of these feel really good. I personally think if you're going to spend £1,000 on a pair of Amiri, you can get a very similar look and really good quality as well for, you know, a fraction of that price. So yes, I do recommend the Represent denim jeans. These could be another good spring summer drop for you as well. Right, next piece, what we got? Right, what is this one? Okay, what is this? Oh, okay, Stone Island cargo pants. Now I know cargo pants have been a really big thing for people. Actually, a lot of followers have been saying they don't even really wear denim too much. That it's all about cargo pants, it's all about tracksuit bottoms and joggers and stuff like that. So I know a lot of people are going to be feeling the color pants. Some kind of like, you know, nice cross bag, especially for like holiday or just kind of running around. Quality wise on these, I do think these feel nice. I've got quite a few Stone Island cargos myself, and I think this is a really good colorway. So yeah, what is this? Oh, nice. Okay, got a nice Stone Island t-shirt, and it's got the little cargo pocket on the front there as well. Do you know what? This will go really nice with the Stone Island shorts, which has got a very similar pocket to this. So I like the fact that it's quite minimal. The only part where you see Stone Island is a little patch, the little button on the front there, but I kind of like that because it's a little bit minimal and a bit different. I haven't actually seen this design, so this is something that's a bit new, I think. This could be possibly part of the new SS20 collection, but it's really light. It feels like it's 100% cotton. It feels well made. This would go really nice with the cargo shorts that I showed you earlier. So that combo could be a nice set for the spring summer, okay? But this unboxing is crazy. We've got so many items in this one, man. Interesting packaging on this one. Right, who's this? This is the Alpha Industries cargo shorts. Do you know what? I like these. Alpha Industries, so that's good. The cargo pants, a little bit different there with the cargo, and you've got the patching. You've got the patch detail on the side. You've got the nice fold up on the shorts as well, which is quite stylish. You can extend it a little bit, make it a bit more higher, a bit more lower. I would probably have it a little bit more higher because I don't like the shorts to be too long. I like them to just kind of sit just above the knee, but I don't like the shorts that sit just below the knee personally. This could be the ideal length. The weight on these are really nice, so they feel pretty well made and pretty sturdy. I know the price point on these are not going to be anywhere near the Stone Island cargo shorts, for example, but you'd expect for this being a lower price point that the quality is not going to be as good. But you know what? I actually prefer the fit. I actually prefer the feel of these in my hand compared to the Stone Island ones. So these ones I think are quite nice. I think these are a good shout. Okay, so that's the Alpha Industries. What is this now? What is this? What is this? Imperial Armani. Do you know what? I haven't had some Imperial Armani for a while now, to be honest. What are these? Oh, short. Do you know what? The fabric on this actually feels like it could potentially be water resistant, but it's almost got that stretchy feel to it as well. These would be an excellent pair of beach shorts. So they feel a bit lightweight, they feel a little bit elasticated as well. Smart, but not too smart. They've got the cargo pocket on there as well. So it looks like what they've got is a reflective EA7 Imperial Armani logo on the sides. Yeah, man, these are called the Day and Night Commuter. These ones I think could be a little bit different. Now, I haven't had some EA7 in a while, but I think the EA7 stuff at the price point for what it is, I think is not too bad, which has got good quality, but you don't want to spend the big bucks, then EA7 could be a good match for that one. So yeah, okay, interesting. Okay. Interesting. They've got a Stone Island bucket hat here. So yeah, this one got Stone Island ribbon all the way around it. It's got a little Stone Island pocket on the side of the hat, and you've got the pull cords there. I haven't seen this one before, and I know a lot of people have been looking at bucket hat, especially for, well, these are not actually bucket hats. There's a proper name for these. I forgot what they called them, but they're like bucket hats, but not really bucket hats, I guess. But yeah, is it fisherman's hat, fisherman's cap? I'm not sure what they call these, but I know a lot of people have been asking about these styles of hats, and I haven't seen this Stone Island one before. It's got the Stone Island ribbon that's going around it and the little Stone Island pocket. You can kind of pull and adjust it and tighten it up on the neck. So that is interesting. Material also does feel water resistant as well. So if it does rain on you, then at least you know you're going to be protected on your head. Right, that took a hot minute to open. What is this? Right, okay, so we've got some Stone Island nylon shorts in there. Swim shorts by the look of it. So that's the Stone Island nylon metal material, I believe. Those ones are nice. Got the little smaller Stone Island logo patch. They feel really lightweight. Material on this will be quite highly water resistant as well. So with this type of material, also the water will dry off pretty quickly. Got the meshing on the inside, which makes them swim shorts. Got a nice little button up here, so it's not zip, it's actually button. And you've got the little pull string cords there as well, so you can actually pull these and tighten them at the waist. At the back, you've got a little Velcro pocket in there as well, so you can put stuff in the back. And within the back of the pockets, you've got some holes in there, so you've got a little bit of breathability as well. So yeah, this is really nice, man. I'm really feeling these. So guys, listen, that is it. That is all the items in from Farfetch. Farfetch will be doing an exclusive 30% off, so if you want to find that code, go down to the description box below. Remember, when you do use our links and you go to Farfetch, if you make a purchase, we get a small commission, and that goes to helping everything that we do here at the channel. Aside from that, I've got nothing more else to say apart from I'm out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be doing lots more like this, so stay tuned for the next one, okay? Peace.